This humble farmer who used to run 2 miles to school every day and back. He used to go to the nearest town on his bike to sell milk at the local market. And now, through hard work and discipline, he's pointing. Come on, he says. Eliud Kipchoge has the hand of history on his shoulder.
Hi. Have you seen this guy here somewhere?
Oh.
Yeah.
We're looking for this guy.
We're looking for this guy. Do you know him?
Okay.
Nii et jooksjal on ainulaadne hetk. Eliud Kipchoge ise on meie mikrofoni ja kaamera ees. So Eliud, how was the practicing today morning?
It was good. I enjoyed it.
What kind of practicing it was? You run...
So we ran 2K, 1K, 2K, 1K. Yeah, 5 times. 5 times each.
You usually are practicing here in Kenya, or what kind of training?
Only in Kenya.
Only in Kenya?
Yeah.
Nowhere else?
No, yeah.
Okay, we came from Estonia especially here to find out what's your secret. How is it possible you will run so fast, Martin?
Secret is consistency, training every day.
Every day to run?
Yes.
What kind of future plans? How more you plan to run?
I'll still be there.
You want to be the 3rd time in Olympic champion?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. How is it?
Let me change.
Yeah. Okay. Then we come. Can write my name also?
What's your name?
Yeah, Donatas. Okay, thank you so much. Näete, ma sain isegi oma nimelise pühendusega särgi temalt. Läks hästi.